Fiat outsold all the other Stellantis brands in 2023 again. In the global automotive arena, Fiat emerges as a remarkable success story within the expansive Stellantis family. Despite facing challenges in European markets and a limited presence in the US, Fiat has flourished in other regions, solidifying its position as a dominant force in the industry. In a triumphant streak spanning 3 consecutive years, Fiat has surpassed all other brands under the Stellantis umbrella, marking a significant achievement for the Italian marque. Following the FCA-PSA merger in early 2021, Stellantis emerged as a powerhouse conglomerate, boasting an impressive portfolio of 14 brands. Fiat's latest triumph comes in the form of a 12% increase in demand compared to 2022, culminating in 1.35 million sales worldwide, while Fiat's stronghold in Italy remains formidable, with a market share of 12.8% or 11.1% in the passenger car segment. Its success extends far beyond European borders. Notably, Fiat's market share soared to 15.7% in Turkey and an impressive 21.8% in Brazil, underscoring its global appeal. Furthermore, Fiat's dominance in regions such as Algeria, South America, and the Middle East and Africa is nothing short of remarkable. With a staggering 78.6% market share in Algeria and a robust presence in South America, where sales surpassed 540,000 units, Fiat continues to capture the hearts of consumers worldwide. Examining Fiat's product lineup reveals a lineup of hot sellers, including the venerable Panda, which retains its top spot in Italy despite its age. The Strada small truck enjoys popularity in Brazil, while the Tipo Egea emerges as a preferred choice among Fiat buyers in Turkey and Algeria. In Europe, Fiat's electric offerings have made a significant impact, with the adorable 500e emerging as the best-selling electric car in the A and B segments, boasting a market share of 14.7%. The 500e has captured the attention of consumers across multiple European markets, cementing Fiat's position as a leader in electric mobility. Additionally, the previous generation 500 and the Panda continue to dominate the city car segment, with combined sales exceeding 130,000 units in 2023. Looking ahead to 2024, Fiat's prospects remain bright. With the highly anticipated launch of the new Panda in Europe and the continued success of the 600, small crossover with its unwavering commitment to innovation and global appeal, Fiat is poised to maintain its position as a powerhouse in the automotive industry.